Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we will explain which relay is for the headlight washer system on BMW E90, 91, 92 and 93. So if your headlight washers do not work guys, you have a few possibilities: fuse, pump or relay. We usually start with diagnosing the relay and the fuse because that's number one. In this video we will explain which relay is for that, and we'll have a separate video that explains how to test relays. So you don't have to waste money buying one unless you need one. Also, all the parts and tools that we use, including that relay, will be listed in the description of the video below. Now, we have guys more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe please for all the work we do. That relay for the headlight washer system is located behind the glove box. Okay, we need to go ahead, open the glove box. You gotta make sure that it's clean, because if you have something it will be in the way. Now we need to go ahead and disconnect that cover by turning this 90 degrees, okay, like that. Okay, and this one here, perfect, and the cover will drop. Now this is your fuse panel guys. You have all the fuses, you have all the relays, some relays on this side, you have some relays on that side. The one for the headlight washer system, okay, is the one right there, okay, that little relay. So let's pull it out, check it out, okay. So you grab it with your hand. Okay, eventually it comes out. Those are super tight, so sometimes you have to use pliers to remove them. Okay, this is the relay now. You can find it again listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. It has three okay, legs on the bottom, two that are kind of like vertical, and three will be horizontal. So I'll get the new one. Okay, the new one is exactly the same. Okay, the same kind of relay, and I'll go ahead and install it. It goes only one certain way, so you have to make sure that you get it in good. Okay, and push it all the way. Also, we'll have the video for the fuse if you need it, guys. So after that, okay, let me just get that cable because we have the phone cable hardwired. Okay, install that cover, turn 90 degrees to lock it in place. Okay, and you're ready to close your glove box guys, and that's it. So check out the video how to test it if you need to. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.